how to develop the leadership, like how a one like एक व्यक्ति है जो जिसने अभी स्टार्ट किया है अपना करियर इन अ
Uh-huh.
कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर. So from the beginning, how he can develop, how he can build his mindset so that he sees himself or herself as a leader in future. मतलब
Okay.
क्या आपकी डेफिनेशन लीडरशिप की, and how they can build themselves.
So I always give this one word definition of leadership.
Hmm.
If you have to define leadership in one word, what will that one word be? And that one
Right.
word comes up as influence. Leadership is all
Okay.
about influencing others.
Hmm.
And when we talk about influencing, it is influencing the minds of people,
Hmm.
right? This is one part. So
Right.
if you want to develop your leadership, people will be influenced by you only when you have something worthwhile to offer to them.
Right. True.
And what is that worthwhile? Worthwhile is, let's say you are still at a quite a junior level.
Hmm.
Worthwhile is the vision of the organization, which means अगर रोहित जैसे अभी आपने एंटर किया एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, 1 साल 2 साल ही
जी.
हुए हैं वहां पे, तो
Hmm.
आप उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के विजन के साथ कनेक्टेड हो कि नहीं? व्हाट डू यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ एज कनेक्टेड टू दैट विजन? तो
Hmm.
जब वो कनेक्शन आपको विजन का मिलेगा, देन यू विल टॉक द सेम लैंग्वेज टू अदर्स इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड दैट इज व्हाट विल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस. फर्स्ट थिंग. So
Hmm.
you need to have something worthwhile to show to people. It
Right.
is said that leader, listen to this carefully,
Hmm.
leader is a dealer in hope.
Okay.
लीडर के जो लेटर्स हैं उसको हमने शफल कर दिया, इट बिकम्स
Hmm.
डीलर.
Dealer.
So leader is a dealer in hope. And where
Hmm.
does this hope come from? Hope comes from vision.
Vision. Okay.
और अगर उस विजन एक बड़ा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट कई बार हो जाता है, तो लेट अस
Hmm.
कॉल इट मोर कंक्रीट गोल्स ऑफ
Right.
द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
Hmm.
So that is what gives people hope that we are going towards a better world.
Hmm.
So this is one important thing which will help you to develop your leadership capability. Are you seeing ahead or not?
Okay.
Right? अदरवाइज ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी देखें तो वो डे टू डे वर्क करने वाले लोग ज्यादा मिलेंगे कि आज का काम खत्म हुआ.
Hmm. बिल्कुल.
Who talks about
हाँ.
goals? Who talks about vision? But if you want to
No
develop
one.
your leadership, start talking from that context. First thing. Second important thing is you will need to have a very strong connect with people. So leadership is all about influencing others. So
Right.
that means, are you able to connect with others at emotional level or not?
Hmm.
And thankfully, in the modern world, more and more literature is coming about this subject. Dealing with people, connecting with people is what leaders' role is, nothing
Hmm.
else.
Right.
And so this is becomes the second thing. Third and the most important thing, in fact, that is where you have absolute control, is on yourself, on your day-to-day style of working, on
Hmm.
the way you deal with your own self, your own challenges that you have in your mind, your own habits that you have, your own commitment levels that you have. This is one person you can constantly work on, which means if you are constantly developing yourself, you are already walking on the path of leadership, because leaders are learners also,
Right.
isn't it? So as you continue to learn, as you learn to connect with people, and as you help them to see a better possibility of future, अगर इन तीन चीजों को मिला के काम करेंगे तो आपकी लीडरशिप कैपेबिलिटीज अपने आप बढ़ती जाएंगी.